This one exercise is not your regular exercise. It's something different and effective for your mind, heart and lungs. This is a breathing exercise that I am going to share with you for better health and overall well-being. Hello everyone, a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash, your heart doctor. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here I bring so much detailed scientific content on health and wellness, diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise to cater to your health needs and management of chronic health ailments. Well, do you know that your breath controls and regulates so many psychological and physiological functions of your body? It's not only about breathing in and breathing out. Deep breathing has been an integral part of ancient yogic practices, and now modern science emphasizes its benefit for reducing blood pressure, arterial plaque buildup, and significantly decreasing your risk of heart disease. You know what? Your statins do. This breathing exercise can also provide you with the same effect. You might think of surgeries or stent placement for cardiac collapses or arterial blockage, but if you take a proactive and smart approach to your heart health, this thing can be avoided. Yes, regular practice of deep breathing exercise can do wonders. But the only thing is that you have to perform it regularly. This is coherent breathing, or in yogic sciences, we call it Nadi Shodhan or Anulom Vilom Pranayam, alternate nostril breathing. I know you might be thinking how this simple breathing technique can do wonders for your health. But it's actually all scientific that your breath influences your severe physiological process. This is what we call the mind-body connection. Your breath affects your mind and body. Okay, 1 second. Let me make it clearer to you. Your breath is more than just a survival function. It's a direct line to your autonomic nervous system, the system that controls heart rate, blood pressure, and cortisol. When you are under stress, your body releases adrenaline and cortisol, which constrict arteries and accelerates plaque formation. You might feel anxious, tense, and irritable, but on the other hand, with conscious breathing, especially using a technique like alternate nostril breathing, you stimulate the parasympathetic system, often called rest and digest system. You start feeling less anxious, more stable, and less confused. Okay, so now let's know how you can perform this breathing exercise. Sit on a mat with a straight spine. Relax your shoulders. Place your right hand near your nose. Use the thumb to close the right nostril. Use the ring and middle fingers to close the left nostril. Now, let's begin the process. Close right, inhale left and count to 4. Close left, exhale right and count to 4. This is your first round. You should repeat this exercise for at least 15 to 20 minutes to get its full benefits. See, its science is simple. When you control your breath, you control your autonomic nervous system, your emotions, and even your immune response. Deep breathing is the foundation of holistic healing, which supports your overall well-being. Now, when should you practice this breathing exercise? The best and ideal time is early morning or an empty stomach. But you can even practice this before sleep to reduce nighttime stress. What benefits can you get when you perform this exercise? A 2013 study published in International Journal of Yoga found that 5 minutes of alternate nostril breathing significantly reduced systolic and diastolic blood pressure in hypertensive patients. It improves heart rate variability, HRV. This coherent breathing has been shown to increase HRV, which means a more resilient heart. Breathing exercises can lower cortisol, thereby reducing oxidative damage to arterial walls. Some small-scale studies show improvements in cholesterol levels, especially LDL, the bad one, after consistent pranayam or deep breathing practice. Alright, So this is a complete insight into coherent breathing exercise, its benefits and the time when you can perform this. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related interesting videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.